As always, don't forget to check the video description down below for the best prices on parts and tools we use in today's project. Today, we got the high beam and low beam headlight bulb for this 2007 Toyota Camry. Let's check it out. Alright guys, this is pretty simple on both sides here. You can see we got enough clearance to take this off. This is, I believe this is high beam. If not, it's vice versa. But high beam, low beam. So let's try a high beam first. Good. Push. And okay, y'all. So I fought with this low beam for a little bit. I'm gonna come over to the side. It'll be a little bit easier to show you. And what I did to try and get that one off is I took a pick and a flathead screwdriver, pick, flathead, lift it up. Here, I'll just show you what I did. Lift it up behind the tab right there, and that gives you a little bit more leverage. And then at the same time, while you're lifting up on that tab, push with the flathead. But this one's on there really good, and I didn't pop it off. It's a customer's car. We're not going to actually replace this headlight bulb, but we'll come over to this one because this one we can at least show you. Squeeze. If it was my own car, or if they're paying to have it replaced, I mean, if it had to break off, we'd just break it off and replace everything that needs to be replaced, but we're not doing that right now. So anyways, you're gonna come over here, twist left, and then pull out, and that is it, y'all. That is, I believe this is your low beam. And this, what is this? This is like a H11. So I have the best price for this bulb down below in the video description. And to put it back in, we're just gonna stick them in there and wait till it pops in, like so. So it kind of popped in right there. And then we're gonna twist, and that's it. Then we're gonna take our connector and focus camera, not on my hand, snap it back in there. So that's it. That's how you do it. And it's the same thing here. Twist, pop out. Man, this one, something's like wrong. This one over here. There we go. Oh my gosh, something is wrong with it. I've never seen anything like that before. So anyways, that's that headlight bulb. They do need this one replaced. I didn't even know. That's probably why it's such a difficult time coming out here. So anyways, we'll go ahead and push back in, twist. Now let's look at the other side real quick. The other side is also easy to get to. Just right there, you have even more room to work with. Let's see if this side is easy. Yeah, this side was normal. So it just pops out, you know, and I just showed you over there, taking it in and out. But click. So anyways, that's it, y'all, for these headlight assemblies, or not the headlight bulbs. So thanks for watching.